red goes on the positive, as usual. The black goes on the negative. You'll see the gauge actually shows me 12 volts now on the system. All I have to do is pull the trigger. You'll see the voltage go down slightly. I hold it for a few seconds to make sure that the voltage doesn't drop too much. And it's holding a nice steady charge. I know we're good. The beep's telling me it's time to let go. You can see how hot the element actually gets. It does glow red. So it put a load on the battery. It made it provide current. The voltage did not drop. I've got what I would consider to be a good battery here. I'm going to give you a quick tech tip. And this is something I've seen through the years in the industry. If the battery is discharged, it will always fail a load test. I've seen a number of technicians immediately go to a load test on a battery and condemn the battery and replace it because it didn't pass the load test. If the battery is discharged, which you can check with a number of different instruments such as your voltmeter, it's going to fail the load test. Just remember, load tests are only valid on a fully charged battery. That's your tech tip.